Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video we'll talk about if your laptop has a low sound module and you are unable to fix it even after installing several different drivers and so on. So you can use this app called FX Sound. This is open source and it's free. All you just have to download and it will boost up instantly. And if you look over the interface of this, it's quite easy, plain and simple. You have different modes from music, general, movies, TVs and so on. So if you want to try, you can download this and it will help you boost the output module. You can see this is the available output unit, which is known as FX Sound speakers, which is the FX Sound audio enhancer. And if you listen to the sound, this is before without any changes. This is the normal voiceover of this laptop, and if I switch it to this FX Sound, you can hear the difference. So this way you can use this FX Sound and you can boost the PC's or laptop's sound effect or the sound module. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.